Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Excel and immediately creating a saved workbook so nothing is lost. Once done, pick a sensible file name and save as XLSX in a known folder. Make sure your view mode fits the task, normal for data entry, page layout for printing setup. You should also set calculation mode to automatic via formulas calculation options so formulas update as you type. Finally, add headers or a title row now to keep columns organized from the first entry. You now populate your sheet with structured data and immediately apply headers so formulas reference consistent ranges. As you enter numbers, use built-in formulas like equals SUM and equals average and choose relative or absolute references. $1 freezes the cell in formulas. Once formulas are in place, apply conditional formatting to highlight outliers and use data validation to prevent bad entries. Make sure to use Format Painter for consistent styling. Once formulas calculate, scan for obvious errors before proceeding to analysis steps. You finish by turning results into insights. Build charts and pivot tables to summarize trends and totals. Once your chart is created, format axes and labels so the message is clear, and refresh pivot tables after data changes. Make sure to save a version copy or export to PDF for sharing. If something goes wrong, use trace precedents and trace dependents to find broken links, check formula ranges, and run error checking. These steps quickly reveal references or data type issues, so you can correct them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.